Hi, what's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to ask you a question as to whether or not if you think Marathon Digital, if it's going to rebound. I'm going to give you my thoughts. I'm going to give you my perspective because to me, I don't think that it is. I think that this stock is going to continue to go lower. Now, before I break this down, give me a couple of minutes to show you the reason why. And if you find the things that I say, the things that I show you as important, as very interesting, and you want to learn more, then make sure you follow me here on this channel because you're not going to get this anywhere else. All right, so check this out. We did a price prediction in Mara, and from out the gate, I keep it real, the market didn't go our direction. Right here, we anticipated that this stock was going to go up in price. We got the buy signal triggered, but then bam, the market did not even give us anything. Price immediately began to go back down. That there alone should tell you that the expectation of seeing a rebound, it ain't gonna go down. It ain't gonna happen, at least not yet. So think about that. That's first. The second thing is this buy zone, okay? We talked about buyers attempting to hold this stock right in this zone between $14 and $14.75, right? Did the market do that? Look at where we closed at on Friday. We closed below the buy zone. Again, that's two on us, or at least for me, going with, I'm not expecting a rebound right now because the buyers are not showing up. We need to see these things off the price chart in order for us to change our analysis. So this current trend that Marathon Digital is currently on, going down, we need to keep in line with that. It hasn't changed yet. And seeing that price or buyers didn't hold this buy zone, we need to talk about, okay, where's the next area then? Because this price prediction didn't work out. You guys can see on, what's that, September the 5th? 25% loss right there. Now, would you rather have 25% loss and continue to deceive yourself and say, look, I'm going to hold on to this. I'm just going to hold it and I'm going to buy the dip and I'm going to continue buying when you don't know how low this stock can go? Look how low the market can ultimately go. It could go back down to $3. Now, I'm not saying that it is, but let's put this into perspective. If you know you're holding on to a loser, why not cut the weight, the dead weight, and move on? Because right now, Mara is dead weight. It's not trending higher. Not yet. Now, maybe we can do this. Okay, because I just saw this. Maybe we can actually do this and actually see if Mara is trending. Okay, so let me take this trend line and let's do that. Okay, so you can see this. I'm creating this right now on the spur of the moment because I just saw it with my eyes. What about this? Do you think Mara is going to come and test this spot then? Because the trend started all the way back in 2022 of December. The market came and tested this trend line in October 2023. And here we are today. Will we test this trend line again or will price break below it? So we're going to hold this trend line now. Now, I want us to see Mara on the monthly chart first. As a matter of fact, I'm going to get rid of these sell zones all the way up here around $57, $60 because the price is not even close to that. And I'm going to get rid of this one too. There's no need for us to have that on our chart, especially when price is going the opposite direction. So look at how the month of August ended for Mara. It's not that bad. It's not bad. But the bad part is how we're beginning September right now. We need to see this market try to come back up, but currently we're seeing it close on the lows. Here's Mara on the 5-weekly chart. Again, it's not that bad. We're seeing how the market attempted to hold that buy zone. And we give them credit. We give them credit. The buyers held the buy zone on this 5-weekly price bar. They held it on this 5-weekly price bar. And it's like, cool, 3 times that back. Let me try to swing again. But you guys can see that they didn't get too far on this prior up move. We're coming right back down. So maybe people ran out of money. I don't know. Maybe times is getting hard and people are like, look, I cannot buy any more Mara right now. I need to put this money somewhere else and it's not in Mara because the market is not at a price point that I would like to buy it at. That could be going on. Here's Mara on the 3. This is another indication to me, answering the question, could we see a rebound in Mara? The answer to me is no, not yet, because of that 3 weekly price bar right there. Here it is on the 2. Again, answer the question, do you think Mara is going to rebound as of now? To me, the answer is no. The 2 weeks and the 3 weekly time frame is telling me a totally different picture than seeing a rebound. I'm still seeing a movement to the downside right now. That hasn't changed. Here is Mara on the weekly time frame. Look what happened on last week. So we may only have a small ways to go though. Okay, so let me show you from when the market closed on Friday to where this trend line is. It's like what, maybe 12%, because that's going to be our first target. 12% right there. And then my next target would be like around $10.45 or so. But that's where I'm at. Okay, here it is on the 5. Mara on the 4, and it still looks weak. It still looks weak. And it's very negative that those buyers didn't prop in and support the price at that buy zone. So we're going to get rid of that. Just going to clean up the chart, marking territory as to where we suspect these people to be. We're suspecting that sellers will now be positioned here in Mara, and that buyers in Mara, let me go ahead and put this on the daily so we can try to identify where we think those buyers now are. Okay, let's see. So let's go ahead and do one here. See buyers there. And right around here. All right, cool. So we got the location to where we see buyers and sellers. Now I think we're going to drop this price prediction. Okay. So that first target, you guys remember what I said, in or around this trend line. So the further out in time we go, the less in terms of profit we can get. But right now they'd be around like 14% on that trend line. Our second target is going to be here around $10 on this first buy zone, and then $8.34 as our third target. Now I know many of you don't want to see that price go that low, but when we look at the market on a 3 months time frame, in the next 22 days, that's very plausible that we can see that happen. So let's hope that those buyers come in within the next 22 days and 4 hours, and this price bar looks different on the 3 months. All right, so that is my current thinking process. This current what I'm thinking is going to occur into the market in Mara. You guys are up next. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.